Wall Street's sending mixed messages or mixed signals today, and investors are trying to make sense of it all. And we want to make sense of it all, too. CNN's Maribel Aber joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Hello, Maribel.
Hi, Chesley.
All right, this market dancing thing, right? It's making us nervous.
It's making us nervous, Chesley. It takes two to tango. Wall Street focused on Jackson Hole, Wyoming this week, where the dance is happening. That's where the Federal Reserve is holding its annual conference. And the highlight, a speech from Fed Chair Jerome Powell on Friday. Investors are looking for some signs as to what Powell and the Fed are thinking on interest rates. Now, most are now expecting at least a quarter-point rate cut in September. Remember, President Trump has been pushing Powell to lower rates for months now, and Powell has resisted, saying it was too soon to see the impact of tariffs on inflation and the economy. The stocks were in a bit of a holding pattern yesterday ahead of Powell's speech. This morning in the early going, looks like stocks are mixed. Here at NASDAQ, we look to be down about 76 points. The Dow up 168 and the S&P down almost 2 points. So Chesley, Wall Street is glued to Jackson Hole, waiting for Powell to speak before making its next big move.
So are the rest of us. Well, some people want Ozempic on the cheap. One pharmaceutical giant is making some surprise moves, right?
Is this cheap, though, Chesley? That's the question. Novo Nordisk is offering Ozempic for less than half price for U.S. patients paying cash. Now, the blockbuster diabetes treatment can be bought for $499 a month in cash. Patients can get that price on the drug's official website and the company's direct-to-consumer online pharmacy. And drug savings company GoodRx will also be offering Ozempic and its weight loss counterpart Wegovy for $499 per month. That will make the discounts available at more than 70,000 pharmacies nationwide. The price cut comes as drug makers face increasing political pressure to lower prices in the U.S. And Novo Nordisk's cash pay offering will expand access to eligible type 2 diabetes patients who don't have insurance coverage for the weekly injection. Earlier this year, the company began to offer Wegovy for half its list price to cash-paying U.S. patients. Chesley, slimming down the sticker price, but it's still not cheap.
Yeah, doesn't sound like it to me. Doesn't sound that cheap. All right, we got a major shakeup in the media world, and it has to do with us here on the Peacock. Talk about the split between MSNBC and NBC News.
Okay, MSNBC is getting a new name as it splits from NBC News. The cable channel will be called MS now, which stands for My Source for News, Opinion, and the World. MSNBC will also stop using the iconic peacock logo associated with NBC Universal brands. The changes come as MSNBC's corporate parent Comcast spins off most of its cable channels into a new company called Versant. Late last year, Comcast approved that $7 billion spinoff of its NBC Universal cable channels, but NBC, Bravo, and the Peacock streaming service will stay under the NBC Universal umbrella. The split is set to take effect later this year. MSNBC, by the way, started back in 1996. Chesley, for the viewers, it's like trimming the crust of your favorite your sandwich, like a PB&J, okay? The content won't change, just the packaging.
Okay. Yeah, you just take those edges off.